Hello guys, today I am going to tell you about a site on which you can earn a good money easily. Just watch full video. So guys, what you have to do first, just go to your Google browser and search here for life points. Type here life points, sign up. So guys, just type it and click on search. So you can see this is the life points homepage. So just click on this. You have to join it. So just accept all cookies and click on join now. So this is the registration form. You have to give the all information here, your first name, last name, email address, uh, and you have to confirm your email address, create a password, and again confirm your password, then click on next. After clicking on next, you will see this page. This is asking for gender. You have to select your gender, date of birth, your street address and mailing address. Here you have to select your state and city and pin number, and then click on next again. So guys, I hope you will fill the form correctly. So after filling the form, you will see this page. So you have to just clicking on these agreements. uh, Here is written, yes, I have read and understand the privacy policy, click on it. Yes, I have read and understand the site terms, click here and also click here, and just click on finished. So now your registration has been completed, and you can see this site is welcoming you. Welcome, we have sent you an email, so please go and check your inbox. So what you have to do next, just go to your Gmail inbox and check there for the email to verify this account. So guys, see, this is the email that I got. So I am clicking on verify your email. You have to do the same and your account will be verified. Now you will see. Now the page is loading and it will show that my account has been verified. Now see that congrats, sign up completed, you have earned 10 points. So it's just a welcome gift. So what you have to do, first complete your profile, click on complete your profile. The registration don't yet happened. It has much more, it is much more. You have to complete your profile here, how many people live in the household including you. So this site will ask some questions like this to know about you and your interest, your qualification, and uh, and the whole information whatever is needed. And you will get tasks and surveys related to those information. So just give answers to all questions and complete your profile. As I am giving response here that how many people lived, so I am clicking here for, because and you have to choose the person, how many people are living in your house, and continue. So there will be some more questions, some normal questions. So how many children, then none, and it will process automatically. So you have to respond in this way, just respond each question and you will complete your profile. Guys, one thing you should remember, that you have to answer, you have to give your correct information. Don't give any false information about yourself, because the next time when they will ask you, you have to answer the same, you have to answer in the same ways. So don't give any wrong information. And again I am telling you that you have to click on accept all cookies. If you don't accept cookies, then the site will not recognize you again. Next time when you will do login, this site will not recognize you and will not allow you allow you to log in. So it is must to accept all cookies. So now in this way you will complete your profile, and after this I am showing you the features of this site, the menus. So you can see this is the survey menus, this is the surveys, this is for surveys. Next, rewards, community. So first what you have to do, uh, just I'm showing you. This is you have to click on this profile icon above, and you can see here options like my membership, menus like my membership. When you will click on it, then it will show you information about yourself, and you can make any changes whatever you wanna make, and click on back. My privacy settings, in this option you can do some privacy settings. If you don't want to be the member anymore of this site, and you can click on cancel my membership, and you can know about this site by clicking on these menus: who we are, how it works, membership, terms and conditions, cookie policy, panel privacy policy, and this is for logout. If you want to exit from this site, you can click on logout. So these are the features of this site. So just guys, you use this site and you will know everything about it. So you can see this is the main page. On this page you will get tasks and surveys to do, and you can earn money doing those surveys. So that's it guys, and one thing I want to tell you, that you don't need to visit this site again and again. Once you complete your profile, you will start to get emails from this site. So whenever you get email, you can click on the mail and reach on the task whatever you have to do. So that's okay guys, hope you like this, hope you got the information. Thank you, I will meet you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.